Good afternoon, my precious. Добрий день, дорогоцінніші. If you are on this channel, you have decided to learn Ukrainian. And that's great, because it's the language of music, art, and it's a language of the most courageous people on this planet. And I am a native Ukrainian speaker. I'm going to help you on this journey. So let's start.
Говоримо привіт. Saying hello. There are different ways to say hello in Ukrainian. One of the most spread ways is just saying привіт or вітаю, which means hello. Or if you see a person in the particular time of the day, you can say добрий ранок or доброго ранку, which is more informal. That both means good morning. Добрий день or доброго дня means good afternoon. Добрий вечір. Доброго вечора, which means good evening.
Привіт. Добрий ранок. Добрий день. Добрий вечір.
Доброго вечора, ми з України.
Then you can say як справи, how are you? Or you can ask як ти, як ви. These sentences both mean how are you, but what is the difference? Because in Ukrainian we have two words for the pronoun you. We say ти with our close people or our peers, and we say ви with people who are elder or totally unknown or have a higher position than we are, for example, for our bosses or teachers. Also, we use them in plural when we address to a group of people. For example, ви найкращі. You are the best. Okay, the answer to the question як справи is добре, дякую, which means fine, thanks. Дуже добре, дякую. Very well, thanks. Нормально, дякую. Okay, thanks. Непогано, дякую. Not bad, thanks.
Справи. Добре, дякую. Дуже добре, дякую. Непогано, дякую.
Now let's talk about how you can introduce yourself. The question is, як вас звати? Or як тебе звати? Why are two variants here? It's the same as with the question як ти, як ви. Yes, we say вас with people who are elder or totally unknown or have a higher position than we are, for example, for our bosses, teachers, etc. And we use тебе with our close people or our peers. So the same. Як вас звати? Як тебе звати? The answer to this question is мене звати Одарка. Or моє ім'я Одарка. My name is Odarka. What is the difference here? Моє means my, ім'я means name, мене means me, звати means call. So the sentence мене звати Одарка, it's something like I am called Odarka. And my name is Odarka is better to say моє ім'я Одарка. Okay, let's revise.
Як вас звати? Мене звати Одарка. Як тебе звати? Мене звати Одарка.
And now let's learn some reading and pronunciation. So here you can see Ukrainian alphabet. Pink letters are vowels, blue letters are consonants. So let's start with vowels. So letter A. R like in word bus Or in Ukrainian we say mama, which means mom.
Stefania, mamo,
E,
Stefania.
like in word pet, or in Ukrainian весело. I, like in word big, or великий. I. Like in word tease, or гілка, which means branch. О, like in word not, all, or Ukrainian word молоко, which means milk. У, like in word put, food, or in Ukrainian Україна, Україна, Ukraine. So we will skip a little bit the letters like я, you, ye, ye, because these vowels actually are not vowels like common vowels. They have two sounds, and we will talk about them later. And now let's go to consonants. So, letter B, B, like in football, football. Letter V, V, like in video, video. Letter P, P, like in word product, product. Letter D, D, like in word date, data. Letter T, T, like in word football, football. Yeah, but less soft. Letter M, mama, mom. Now letter H, герой, hero, but more vocal, герой. Letter G, G, ганок, like in word get. So here are our vowels and consonants. Let's practice vowels.
А, И, И, А, О, И, У, О, О, А, О, У, И, У, О, А, О, И, И, О, А, И, У, И, А, О, И, О, У, И, И, О, У, У, А, И, О, У, И, 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 А, И, О, У, И.
Let's practice pronouncing consonants.
Ма, ам, мо, ом, м, ым. Му, ум, ме, ем. Па, ап, по, оп. Пы, ып. Пу, уп, пе, эп. Па, ба, по, бо, пы, бы. Ма, мама. Ба, баба. Та, ат, то, от, ты, ит. Ту, ут, те, эт. Да, та. До, то. Те, де. Ту, ду. Ди, ти. Ти, ди. На, ан. Но, он. Ну, ун. Пу, бу. Пе, бе. Ва, во. Ву, ве. Та, тато. Ма, мама. And now let's practice a dialogue. Потренуємо діалог. I will use my fellow teacher's graph. I know he's just a toy, it's a little bit childish, but it really helps to feel more free using the foreign language. Just try. Привіт. Привіт. Як тебе звати? Мене звати Одарка. Як тебе звати? Мене звати Скраф. Як справи? Дуже добре, дякую. Як справи? Непогано, дякую. It was our first lesson. I hope you have enjoyed. I hope you have learned something. I hope you had lots of fun. Feel free to ask questions in the comments below, and if you like this video, give it a huge thumb up, and share it with your friends in your social media, and subscribe to my channel to not to miss further lessons. And for now, bye bye. Па-па, дорогоцінніші.